Good boss. Super sport right now. Ooh, look at those. But super windy for no reason. Hey, what's going on, boss? You doing alright? Yeah. Definitely hit me up, man. That's clean. Is that a rat? That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. That's dope. Yeah, cause I need it, man. It's like I said, it's hard when you can't shoot myself. All right, man. What's your name again? Christian? Joey. All right, boss. I'll message you, huh? Engine side, 1,000. Yeah. I ain't got nobody that can help me make content, man. So that's what sucks. You know. All right. Let's do a quick little walk around real quick. Do a quick little walk around real quick. So I can look at this damn tire, man. Nothing wrong with it. I don't know if it's just the wind or what. Suspension just feels weird. always surprised how raw this bike sounds, man. Especially in not being tuned. What an asshole. That dude's a fucking dick. He purposely ran into that puddle. Now I gotta keep my eye on him.
What's up?
My bad. Black people time. You know how it is sometimes, man. Hold on, let me turn this shit off. Yeah, my bad. Everybody got gas? Woo! What's going on? Yeah, boys out today, huh? Hey, we didn't have this many people last week. Shit, what's up? You on the Honda? What's going on, man? Y'all out today too? What's going on, though? That beautiful Indian right there. Nah, you too, man. Doing all right? Yes, sir. I love that gray. Damn, dude, yeah, this thing looks fucking gorgeous in person, dude. Yes, sir. And it came with the decals and everything?
Yeah, I had them custom put this on.
What?
Yeah, it was gonna say custom bike, but I had them put the S1000 overall.
That's fucking dope. That's cool. I didn't think you can get it like that. That's dope.
They already sent the other one.
Oh, they're gonna send it again. Oh shoot. Ah. When I eat you like a dinner, wanna be dessert, eat you first, then a dinner. My life in the jungle, things never change.